Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to check Coinbase transaction history. First, open your web browser and go to the Coinbase website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Ensure you complete any two-factor authentication steps for security. Once logged in, you will land on your main dashboard, ready to explore your account details and manage your crypto. From your dashboard, look for the My Assets or Portfolio section. Clicking this will display all your cryptocurrency holdings. You can then select a specific asset, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, to see its individual transaction history. Some users might also find a Direct Transactions tab on the main navigation bar for a comprehensive view. Once you are viewing your transactions, you will see options to filter the data. You can sort by transaction type, such as buys, sells, or sends, or by a specific date range. For tax purposes or record keeping, you can easily export your entire transaction history. Look for an Export button, usually offering CSV or PDF formats for download. Always double-check the details of your transactions, including the amount, date, and any associated fees. Maintaining accurate records is crucial for tax reporting and personal finance management. Store your exported files in a secure location. Remember to check the description for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. This helps keep your car smelling fresh and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.